Hello, grade 11 students. Welcome to our lesson number 1 for Earth and Life Science about the formation of the universe and the solar system. At the end of the lessons, the students are expected to determine the different theories about the formation of the universe and the solar system. Number 2 is to create an illustration about the formation of the universe and the solar system. And lastly, is to appreciate one's existence. First is the Big Bang Theory. Big Bang Theory was hypothesized by Belgian cosmologists and priests who formulated the idea of Big Bang, wherein he referred it to as the hypothesis of the primordial egg. George Lemaitre developed this theory wherein he hypothesized that the Big Bang Theory produces helium and other heavy elements. In addition, Big Bang Theory was characterized by several major events depending on what was formed during that time. We have the electric era, particle era, the era of nucleosynthesis, era of nuclei, era of atoms, and the era of the galaxies. The main idea of the Big Bang Theory is that the universe started as a result of a major explosion. And with that explosion, the universe continued to expand. That is the Big Bang Theory. Next is the Steady State Theory by Bondi and Gould. They believe that the universe is expanding, and as it expands, new matter will form. But they also believe and assume that even though the universe is expanding, its density remains the same, and that the stars remains at the same age. This image clearly explains the steady state theory. As you can see, the universe continued to expand, but even though it is expanding, its density remains the same. Next theory is the encounter hypothesis. In this theory, they believe that the solar system was formed because of the crash between a sun and a rogue star, wherein the dense particle becomes the sun and the less dense particle becomes the planets. Let's take a look at the illustration. Let's take a look at this image. Isn't it, according to encounter hypothesis, there is a collision between a sun and star. And with that collision, there is the formation of the solar system. And a closer look, you can see the inner planets such as the Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They were formed together with the Sun with the dense particles, while the less dense particles formed the outer planet such as the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And that is the summary of the encounter hypothesis. Let's move to the last theory, divine creation theory. This theory was written in the book of Genesis in the Bible. Let's have a closer look of the divine creation theory. In this theory, I'll be showing you how God created the universe within 6 days. Let's have a closer look. To be updated, make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. That ends our discussion. See you next week. Good day and God bless you all. Bye-bye.